Hi everyone, welcome to Richmond Wheel and Castor. Today we're going to have a look at our sliding motor range and show you how to pair your remotes to each motor depending on which one you have. As you can see, I've got 3 motors here in front of me, so we'll run through each one now. Okay, so we're going to start with our GTR 156 slide motor. First thing we need to do is take the top cover off. As you can see, I've already taken the screws out. Underneath, you can see that the PC board is protected by another cover. Again, I've already taken the 4 screws out of the corners, so we just need to pull this forward so that we've got access to the PC board and the button that we need. Towards the top of the PC board, you can see a black button in the center. This button will be labelled Learn, and this button, along with our remote, is what we're going to use to pair the motor. So, press the button, press it for a second and your LED will come on. Press the remote twice and the Learn LED will flash quickly to let you know that it's paired. The motor will now respond to the remote. If you need to wipe the remotes from the control board, you can press and hold this Learn button. The light will come on. When it goes out, you know that you've successfully wiped all of the remotes from the board. Okay, so here we have our GTR 064 slide motor. Again, first thing we need to do is pull the top cover off of the motor. Underneath you'll see that there's another protective cover over the PC board. I've already taken the screws out, so you can pull this away from the PC board. You'll need to release the grommet from the top of the cover. Down towards the bottom right hand side of the PC board, you'll see a button that's marked as the Learn button. Using this along with the remote, we're now going to pair the motor and the remote together. So press that button, the light will show up. You can press your remote twice and the LED will flash quickly, letting us know that we've paired the remote to the motor, and the motor will now respond to the remote. To remove the remotes from this PC board, in case you lose one or someone has one that you don't want them to get in, you can press and hold this Learn button. The LED will show up. Hold the button down until the LED turns off. We now know that we have successfully removed all of the remotes from this PC board. So here we have our GTR 207 slide motor. Again, the first thing we need to do is remove the top cover. And again, underneath, the PC board is protected by another cover. We just need to pull this forwards and down so that we can gain access to the PC board and the Learn button. On the PC board here, up the top left, you see the Learn button. We're going to use this along with the remote to pair our motor and our remote. So, press your Learn button and you'll see the Learn LED lights up. Press your remote twice and you will see that LED flashes quickly. We now know that we've paired our remote and our motor together, and you'll see that the gear cog will now respond to the remote. Now, to remove the remotes, in case you lose one or someone has one that you don't want them to have, you can press and hold this button and it will wipe the remotes from the motor. So press the Learn button, you will see the Learn LED light up. Once the LED goes out again, you know that you've now wiped all of the remotes from that motor and it won't respond.